Hey guys, hi, this is Julie the Creative Chica. So I'm coming from a different place right now. It's actually on my bed because the rest of my crafting area is just a hot mess. So I thought I'll bring this to you. And I'm sharing this little needle book. Let me show you this. So that says faith, and I did sew this. And so I'll get in close so you can see it. There we go. So I printed on fabric, which is what you see here. And let me flip this way because I want you to see the back. This is the back. Okay, that's the back, that's the front. And this is actually going to be shown after the recipient gets it. So it is Miss Sheila's birthday gift, and I wanted to show you guys, but I didn't want to give it away to her, so that's why I'm showing it after she receives it. So I'll be posting this after. So I want to show you this little button that I put on there, and I sewed on the lace. I sewed all this on, and on the bottom I did as well. And so let's go inside the book. Here's the inside. I did print on fabric here and here, and I have some little button cards that I'm going to be giving her. So this is one of the button cards. This is the second button card, and that's Max, and he'll be jumping on the bed any minute. Sorry guys. Yep. Okay. So hey Max, you want to say hi? Okay buddy. Okay buddy. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about that. He's checking out this little book too. So anyway, got some button cards here, and I got some buttons here, and a little charm, and I placed some pretty beads on there. And then here, I have pins, like a quilting pins, and then this little cute little spool. Then I added a little dangle with some beads and this little needle charm with a small safety pin. And of course I did print this out and put it on fabric. There's my lace, and on this side I have another what looks like a button card here, but I did it on fabric, and there is I believe I got that either from his friend mail, and I'm sorry you guys if I can't remember who gave it to me, but thank you for whoever gave it to me. And it's either Janet K, Miss Sheila, or somebody, I don't know. Anyway, here's a stick pin, a little pin that I made with the flower. And so let's see. Here's some small little safety pins, and I bought this special little blingy safety pin at Hobby Lobby. And I got these charms, and this says create, and I did print on this. And then the last page I printed on fabric. That back also printed that one, and I made like a little book for her to put notes, this cute little card, and that was a printable. So, and then I put some little clips in case she needs those. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. It's hard to kind of figure this out with one hand. Okay, there we go. And then there's a place for a little scissors, and this cute little thing that says Fairy Dust Ltd, and it's Fairy Magic. It's really cute. It's got this little saying in the back. See, there we go. It's really cute. So that's that. I'm going to put that there because I didn't get scissors. But there's that. And let me explain a little bit about this fabric. So the front, I got the lace, got some from Miss Sheila, got some from this, of course, my good friend Janet K. Hi Janet, gave me that. And then Jen's Creations, gave me this other lace here. Hi, Jenny. Thank you. And then this pretty lace, I think it came from, and this one too, from Miss Sheila. So I got that there. And then, let me see, had the buttons. This is from Hobby Lobby. Let's see. This fabric was some of that fabric my sister had gifted me. I had this here. I had the buttons. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I got this at Joann's. This little needle. Got the buttons, I believe, either at Joann's. I'm not sure. These buttons I got at Joann's. Oh, and this felt back here got from Jenny, from Jen's Creations. And I bought this strip right here at Hobby Lobby. Let me think. Hobby Lobby. And that came from Hobby Lobby. Of course, I put it together separate things. And the clips I already had, that was a printable. This was a printable. These I got at Walmart in a package, but I saw that they also had them at Joann's. This is some lace that I had, and this was gifted lace. And that's it. That's all of it. So I just wanted to give you guys a close-up picture of this needle book. I am making one for my mother-in-law, so I might be showing that one before this one. So I just wanted to stop by and show this to you guys and share it. Like I said, I will be posting this after I send it off to Miss Sheila for her birthday. So I hope you guys like a close-up look, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye now.